Good morning, Your Excellency.
Mabaruthi 41 aria mamuritwo kurugamirira bururi wa Kenya mabururi-ini 11 ni moritio gutigirira ni maramata kigina kiria kigayagirwo mabaruthi macio ni kiahuthika na njira ya uigiririki.
You recently appointed.
Mucemanini na mabaruthi aya thigiraini wa iregi, mutongoria wa bururi William RUTO ni ugite thirikari ni egutigirira kigina kiria githukagirwo wabici cia ubaruthi ni kiahuthika uria kwagiriire gukwa kimoria gwithema na uhuthiri muru wa indo cia muingi riri thirikari itanyite kurenga thabari cia aruti a wira ya nja wa bururi.
The agent of the government of Kenya to make sure that public resources allocated to your embassies, all the resources are used prudently in an accountable manner.
President NIORITIE mabaruthi aya kuoya mweke uyu gwethera Kenya mieke ya biashara hamwe na kuguciriria aigithia guku bururi-ini ari njira ya gukuria na kugacirithia utonga wa bururi. Oho akimoria matikaguoyohio riria maratua matua maruru angikorwo mari na uguni kuri bururi.
I expect no less from you to push for the interest of Kenyans, Kenyan companies, Kenyan businesses, Kenyan entrepreneurs, to make sure that it is your responsibility.
Mwena-ini wao mabaruthi aya ni meranire wirutiri wao wa gutungatira bururi na njira ya kumatia ndugu gatagati ga Kenya na mabururi maria megukorwo magitungatira kugacirithia sekta cia wonjoria utonga wa MAAI-INI hamwe na kuguciriria aigithia guku bururi-ini.
Has appointed me as the ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the United Republic of Tanzania to the Republic of Kenya.
Mabururi maria megukorwo makiamukira mabaruthi aya ni hamwe na Pakistan, Qatar, Tanzania, Oman, Somalia, Iran, Australia, Kazakhstan, Estonia, El Salvador na Suriname.
The Republic of Tanzania has appointed